adding a category onto your post or tags. Now if you go to your post tabs, you will see all your posts here. So there's two ways to add category or tags to a post. First is you can quick edit it, then you can add the all the tags that you want here separated by commas, and also all your tags will be populated here if you already added it. And you can update it, then it should be added on to the post. And also with the category, you can do the same thing. You can select multiple tags here or category here, and once you update should be added. Then the next or the second step or the other step is to edit the post itself. And into the builder, you can see on the right side you should have the option there to select categories and tags. And also here you can add new one. So the same goes through the tags. It should be separated by comma, or you can press the enter key so that it would be added. And once you're done, you can hit update and it should be added onto your post. So let's check the post itself so we can see the tags and the categories. So there, it's added.